Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can adjust salt consumption in Samsung Dishwasher DW60R7050FS. So in the first step, open your dishwasher and turn it on. Now hold the auto button for a few seconds within 60 seconds from turning it on. Now we are in the settings mode, so tap on the... once again. Now tap on the delay button to adjust your hardness of the water. To manage it, click on the auto button. Wait 5 seconds to save the settings, and basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.